Summary. Biological classification of plants and animals was first proposed by Aristotle, on the basis of simple morphological characters. Linnaeus later classified all living organisms into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Later, Whittaker proposed an elaborate five-kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria of the five-kingdom classification were cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition and reproduction, and phylogenetic relationships.
Sir, what is phylogenetic relationship?
Oh no!
Phylogenetic relationship is the study of the relationship among organisms of species or a population through evolution. These relationships are identified using the similarities in DNA, RNA, protein sequences, or a comparison of the anatomical features. Listen, dear students. In the five-kingdom classification, bacteria are included. In Kingdom Monera, bacteria are cosmopolitan in distribution. These organisms show the most extensive metabolic diversity. Bacteria may be autotrophic or heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Kingdom Protista includes all single-celled eukaryotes, such as chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds and protozoans. Protists have defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They produce both asexually and sexually. Members of Kingdom Fungi show a great diversity in structures and habitat. Most fungi are saprophytic in their mode of nutrition. They show asexual and sexual reproduction. Phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteromycetes are four classes under this kingdom. The Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms. Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms are included in this group. The life cycle of plants exhibit alternation of generations, gametophytic and spirophytic generations. The heterotrophic eukaryotic, multicellular organisms, lacking a cell wall, are included in the kingdom Animalia. The mode of nutrition of these organisms is holozoic. They reproduce mostly by the sexual mode. Some cellular organisms, like viruses and viroids, as well as the lichens, are not included in the five-kingdom system of classification. I hope you understand well now.